Hey, are you trying to get a FIFO job in the mining industry start of 2025? If this is you, listen up. I'm going to tell you exactly how I got $141,000 a year FIFO mining job within 28 days of landing in Australia. Before coming over, I had absolutely no idea where to start. All I knew is I wanted to go to the mines to make a load of money so I could spend my money on a big massive travel trip that I'm on right now. So I've just been through the whole process that you're looking to do from start to finish, from being overseas with no experience to then getting to Australia, setting everything up, finding a FIFO job within 28 days of landing and working for a full year saving up money. So I've designed a full step-by-step guide that literally tells you exactly what to do. It has all my recommendations in it, all my advice and everything you need to be doing from start to finish. I'm getting absolutely amazing feedback and it is helping people get jobs. I'm getting messages weekly of people that are coming over and following the steps in my guide and are now working FIFO jobs, earning money. So it 100% works. It's worked for loads of people before and there's no reason why it can't work for you as well. And how you can download my step-by-step guide is you go to my little stand store link, which is a little link in my bio under my profile picture on both my social pages. Just go on that, click it. It's the very first one. It's called the ultimate guide to getting a FIFO job on a working holiday visa. It's on sale right now for Black Friday and the sale's been going well. I'm just going to extend the sale the whole way to after Christmas. So yep, that's how to do it, folks. That's where to find it. Click on my little stand store link and you'll see it there. If anyone has any other questions, just hit me up on Instagram and I can send you these little voice notes and video notes back. So yeah, hit me up there and ask me whatever you want. So thank you and chat soon.